This is a bit of a review of a Magic Wash pressure washing machine. These things have been around for ages, but are they any good? Well, I took one around the country for 12 months and basically they're not really worth the money for the amount of space that they take up in a small caravan. Basically you put your clothes in between 1 and about 3 kilos, add your water, add your washing powder, washing detergent, and you spin the handle, screw the lid on, spin the handle, and do that for sort of 3 or 4 minutes. And essentially it's designed to wash your clothes. The reality is they use a fair bit of water, not so much in the washing stage, but certainly in the rinsing stage, and you've got to rinse and rinse and rinse to make sure you've got all the suds out. I bought this particular example for about $40 on eBay and ended up giving it away with the caravan when I sold it after travelling some 36,500 kilometres around the country. Basically what I found was it's very light. It probably only weighs 2.5 or 2 kilos as an empty bit of plastic, but it's a bit of a pain to use. The handle is extremely flimsy, and you're far better off just basically hand washing in a stainless steel sink in a caravan park. So it takes about the same amount of time, and if you really give it a hard pummel in the sink, you're going to get a much cleaner wash. Often, certainly than or as clean as the pressure wash, which is not too bad, but certainly equally as good as the Maytag commercial machines that cost between $4 and $5 in most caravan parks around Australia. So my advice is, for $100 I would certainly not buy one new, and maybe for $20 or $30, yeah, you might try one second hand, but you really are better off doing it the old manual way inside a sink. And also the other thing is they're not really big enough to put sheets in, so it's really a socks and jocks and shirts wash, or maybe beach gear. And instructions are coming up at the end. Thanks for watching.